Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hi there, Tony from the Acoustic Letter. Here today we're going to look at the Martin OMJM, the John Mayer signature model from Martin Guitar. Before we get into this guitar and what makes it special, I want you to click the link below and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. The Martin OMJM is kind of the best of both worlds. It's a small body guitar with huge sound. It's a vintage looking guitar with some modern appointments that actually make it function and play that much easier. Starting with the top of the instrument, we have a solid Engelmann spruce top. This is a wood that doesn't take much to get it resonating, which means it's great for fingerstyle or for a light strummer, and an exceptional match for a smaller body OM style guitar. On the back we have East Indian rosewood, which is great, nice bass articulation. The top is a little bit darker than your typical Engelmann spruce, and that's because it has a vintage toner, herringbone trim around the outside, ivoroid binding around the outside as well, ebony bridge with a tusk saddle, tortoiseshell pickguard, style 45 rosette, ebony fingerboard with really neat inlay, small dot for a little vintage appeal, and then on the 12th fret we have a split diamond, which is extra cool. Signature inlaid way up top, high on the fingerboard. Gloss headstock is found on the Eric Clapton model as well as this John Mayer model. Open gear vintage style tuners. Kind of a softer V neck, a lower profile, so it looks like a vintage guitar, but it plays like a modern guitar. 1 11/16 bone nut, very comfortable for playing. The neck joint is a mortise and tenon on this guitar, and it's paired with hybrid X style bracing, that is scalloped. It's a little bit different style than what's used on the standard series, but a great pair for the Engelmann spruce top. So as we play through this guitar, I want you to notice how the Engelmann spruce reacts to the various styles of playing. Thanks for checking out the Martin OMJM, the John Mayer signature model from Martin. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to sign up for the Acoustic Letter. Thanks for watching.